What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today, I know you see by the title, this is going to be my skincare routine. I did my skincare routine on TikTok, but I decided,
why not do a skincare routine on YouTube?
And I hope that you guys use some of these products because they're really good products. I've been using these products for like 2 years now, so I just wanted to share my little advice on what to get. So let's jump right into it. To roll up my sleeves because I don't want to get them wet. I always do that when I'm wearing this little sweater. So starting off with your cleanser, I absolutely love this cleanser. I swear by this cleanser, it just makes my skin like fresh and clean, and it takes all of my makeup and my dirt on my face. It takes all of that off. This is the CeraVe SA cleanser. I use this cleanser every single day, like
every single day.
I love this cleanser. I swear by this cleanser, and it's best to get it in the value size and not one of those little bottles because you have to constantly go to the store. Take a little water, dampen your face, and then pump like two pumps of the cleanser, and you just work it in your face in like a circular motion. Now I just let it sit for like a minute or so because I don't know the science behind it, but I just like letting it sit and letting it like absorb. I don't know if it works, but I mean, I've been having good looking skin these past few months because I decided to do that. So I'm not saying you can do it, I'm just saying like that's how I do it. So yeah, just let that absorb. It pretty much absorbed really fast, and then when you can barely see it anymore, you just wash it off. So this is the next product that I use. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's the Hand Skin Hyaluron Skin Essence. I use it as toner. I just put a few drops on and I just like pat and swipe. The purpose of this serum is to hydrate, moisturize, balance out your skin tone, and keep you glowy. This is a True Skin's Vitamin C Serum. Amazing, like top-notch quality for real. It comes in this little valve thing. And I just apply a little bit. And then I just rub it in. Now I'm using the Vitamin A Glow Retinol Serum from Hand Skin, and I just put a little bit in my hands, and I do the same thing. Pat and glide, pat and glide. Last but definitely not least, we have e.l.f.'s moisturizer. This is the daily moisturizer, the Holy Hydration moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, jojoba seed oil, and vitamin E. This leaves my skin feeling so protected. Like it's like a barrier, a literal barrier against my skin, but it's not, it doesn't hold that kind of slick feeling on your face. So I just use 2 little pumps of that, and then I just rub it all over my face. And if I have extra, I'll put it on my neck, because sometimes
my neck be ashy.
So I just do that. And that is all that I do for my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope you guys will pick up these skincare products in your local Target or Walmart or wherever you get skincare products. I mean Ulta, Sephora, anywhere. I really hope that you guys try these products out and let me know what you think. But yeah, this is what I use to keep my skin hydrated and glowy and clean. So please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Peace.